Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our vlog. Today we are exploring Pakistan, one of the fascinating and historical sites, the Makli Necropolis, located in Thatta, Sindh. Makli is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the final recipes of the thousands of rulers and nobles and saints. I am Imtiaz Hamid and I will be your guide for today's adventure. We are excited to share this journey with you, and we hope you will join us as we explore the history, culture, and the beauty of Makli. The first resident of this historical settlement was the Fakir, Sheikh Hamad Jamali. His mosque and monastery became a source of solace for those who came here after him. The other permanent resident of Makli was a lover named Jam Tamachi. According to Shah Latif, he made a fisherwoman from a Kinjar Anuri Malika when the death could not do them apart. Even if one is not aware of the 600-year-old history of Sindh, a visit to Makli will give an insight into past dynasties, including Samas, Arguns, Tarkhans, Mughals, and Kaloros thrived here. You may leave Makli, but Makli will travel with you.
I am Abdul Mujib and I will be telling you about the history and significance of the Makli Necropolis. So Makli Necropolis is the treasure trove of history and culture, and it is established in 14th century. Makli Necropolis is the burial estates of the Shama dynasty as well as other prominent figures. And this site is home over to 1,25,000 architectures with its intricate carvings. For example, this tomb is adorned with the beautiful intricate carvings with the flowers, leaves and geometric patterns. This is not only beautiful but also reflect the artistic and cultural tradition of the time.
I am Lukesh Kumar. Let's take a closer look at some of the tomb here. This tomb was Jam Nizamuddin, also called Jam Nindo, was a famous ruler of the Sama dynasty in Sindh. He is known for promoting arts and culture. His tomb at Makli Necropolis is beautiful, decorated with intricate carving and reflect the rich history of Sindh.
Makli Necropolis is more than just a graveyard. It's a window into Pakistan's rich history and culture. And it's the reminder of the importance to protect and preserving our cultural heritage and the need to protect the sites like Makli Necropolis for our future generations. Okay, now let's talk about Mirza Isa Khan Tarkhan II. Mirza Isa Khan Tarkhan II was the son of Jan Baba. He became the governor after the death of the Mirza Ghazi.
In Makli lies the wise people-friendly ruler Jam Nizamuddin, who carried Sindh into an era of freedom, peace and progress for 48 years. His time is remembered by the generations that followed. The untouchable commander-in-chief Mubarak Khan, who protected Sindh from foreign invaders, when martyred the people of Sindh, remembered his bravery by giving him the title of Dulha Darya Khan. Then there is Baki Beg, the viscous ruler whose lust for power spilled blood of his own family, and there are other martyrs like Jani Beg, also called Jani Baba, whose spirit wanders here.
This is the tomb of Mirza Jan Baba, a famous Sufi saint. He was the son of Israr Khan Tarkan I and father of Israr Khan Tarkan II. Notice the beautiful tile work and intricate design on the wall. This tile were brought from Iran and Turkey. This is the tomb of Sher Chani. The Sher Chani tomb is a historic structure in the Makli necropolis. Its name meaning 7 states refer to its unique design. Built in the 16th century, the tomb is a square brick building with corner, grating and octagonal roof.
Well, now it's time to discover what makes Makli unforgettable through the eyes of its visitors.
What's your good name, ma'am?
Cristina,
Okay, where are you from?
Italy, Venice.
Oh, that's great. So, what are your experience while visiting this Makli necropolis?
We arrived 2 days ago, and we are making a tour from south to north to Islamabad.
Oh, that's great.
So we are visiting a lot of cities.
Yeah. What are your experience for visiting this kind of graveyard, this second largest graveyard of Pakistan?
Very beautiful.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, very beautiful sites. Yeah.
What will you say about the architecture of historical sites? What
Yeah.
will you say about that?
Yeah, very beautiful. And the blue is very beautiful. The different
Oh,
blue
you mean
color,
that
the different color.
the view and the backgrounds are very beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
we understand.
Okay, so we have to go. We have a group. We have to go.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.
Okay, thank you so much.
It was
Thank
a
you.
pleasure.
What's your good name, sir?
Munib.
Oh, that's good. Sir, we are making a vlog for our class activity and we are taking some reviews from tourists at Makli Necropolis. So, sir, what are your overall experience at Makli Necropolis?
It's a good experience. The road to Makli is very good. It's very clean. It's very good. It's a very good historical site. I'm here with my family to teach my kids about Metropolis. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Sir, what inspired you to visit the Makli Necropolis?
History. We should know where we are coming from. So this is a very good place to start the Makli Necropolis. It's a very good place to start. I'm here with my family, the kids. I want to show them the history of Sindh, the history of this place. That's why we're here.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for
You're
your
welcome.
review. Thank you.
Best of luck for your project.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. As we conclude our visit to Makli Necropolis, I am reminded the words of famous Sufi saint Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. The words are, the past is a reflection of future, of present and future. So the Makli Necropolis is the testament to the power of history and culture to understanding ourselves and the world around us. Thanks for joining us on this beautiful journey through Makli Necropolis, and I hope you will guys like this, love this vlog. And we cover this is a very huge graveyard, and we cover all possible parts as we can cover of this graveyard.
So we love to hear your thoughts and feedback on this vlog. Please leave a comment below and let us know what you think.
Alright guys, and that's all about for today, and thank you for watching this vlog.